export from us, CarSnipers here. Today we are headed over to Lakeland. We're going to look at a 1956 Studebaker. It's a 56 Studebaker Power Hawk we're picking up, guys. Woo! The first Studebaker we've ever gotten. Customer of ours bought it off of eBay. So, just needed us to come over here and pick it up. So that's what we're going to do.
That's what we're going to do.
Studebaker.
Studebaker. Power Hawk.
Bald Hawk?
Power Hawk.
Power Hawk. Power Hawk. Gonna bring y'all along with us for the ride.
That's fun. I love you. Hi. Here for a Studebaker, 56 Studebaker?
Yes, he's in the back.
Okay. There was a lot of space back there, so we're gonna pull straight in and then we can turn around, get it loaded up, and it should be pretty easy. All right, how you doing?
Good. So what do? Like move cars around the world or something?
Yeah, export them everywhere. Sam, nice to meet you, sir.
Nice to meet you too.
Yeah, what we do is we export cars worldwide. Normally we go out and look at them, do inspection, make everything happen.
Yeah.
Help people pay for it. And
Hey,
that's
any
what
way
we
to
do.
make a living, right?
That's right. No, it's fun. We travel around everywhere and we get to see a lot of stuff, so it's hard to complain. And it's actually the first Studebaker I ever do.
Yeah.
What is the story about it?
Well, it needs to be restored.
Yeah.
I started to. I had the body off the frame. And I replaced some of the sheet metal from another car that I had.
All right.
But then I just lost traction with the thing and I haven't gotten back to it in a while, so I said, eh. Yeah. Well, it's all here. Everything is here. It's all in the trunk and inside the car.
Perfect, perfect. And the one with left, right?
Yes, right.
Correct.
Yeah.
And double count that for me. But that's it, so I highly appreciate it.
No problem. Thank you very much.
You.
Pleasure dealing with you.
Same to you.
So guys, that was a lot easier than we thought. Everything was as planned. Car was great. Just pay the remaining balance and make sure the paperwork was all good. Flatter on the trailer, we'll give you a better look when we get home. Day 2 here, guys. Headed to Georgia. Savannah, here we come.
And action.
But I have stuff on my glasses. Alright guys, let's check out this 56 Studebaker. So yeah, it's definitely a complete project. All the parts are there. to read their inside of it. The guy got a pretty good start. The door is closed at the moment. Wish I could show you the inside, but it's all there. It's definitely a good start to a project. So I was doing a little bit of research on Studebaker. I looked them up last night, and yeah, they've been around since 1852, guys. Started as a horse and buggy carriage maker out of Indiana, so it's really interesting. Then became the 3rd biggest car manufacturing company in America by 1920. So, pretty cool. Studebaker. And there's a lot of people that like these. People come up to us at the gas station. This guy this morning, his dad used to race a 54 in Daytona on the beach back in the day. So, super cool.
I think you can open that door.
See if we can open the door. Mostly all original in here. Got some fresh sheet metal. Oh. But yeah, so I wanted just to give you all a quick look. Pretty excited about this. Think it's going to turn out great. It's going to a custom shop in Sweden, so let's get it to the harbor and get it on its way.
Woo!
Woo!
Let's go. Go ahead.